The politics of COVID is once again picking pace in Assam, with Congress MP Pradyut Bordoloi taking the issue up in the Lok Sabha today. In a sensational allegation, Bordoloi said the state government was under-reporting deaths, drawing sharp reaction from the BJP. We have this report. Politics over the COVID scenario in Assam is slowly heating up as the state stares at assembly elections. While the State Health Department has on numerous occasions pointed out that the rapidly rising COVID death toll is a cause of extreme worry, the Congress has launched an attack on the state government for allegedly under-reporting COVID deaths. While raising the issue in Lok Sabha, Congress Nagaon MP Pradyut Bordoloi accused the Assam government of under-reporting COVID-related deaths and also questioned the role of the Death Audit Board set up by the state government. Bordoloi also urged the ICMR to look into the alleged anomalies.
In my state, 548 reported deaths out of nearly 1.56 lakhs of cases as of today, and has a low case of fatality rate around 0.35%. It is one of the lowest. This is personally a cause of happiness, relief for me and the state. But certain new facts have emerged which challenge the existing data. The fatality rate of Assam is apparently low because the government has ignored the deaths of several people under COVID on multiple occasions. The Death Audit Board set up by the state government to help capture the unreported deaths have reportedly discounted deaths that should have been considered COVID-19 fatalities. Such underreporting of deaths has caused pain and anguish to several families who have lost their loved ones to COVID, but the government has failed to acknowledge their deaths by the virus by not adding their names to the list of COVID deaths. I would request the government to look into this matter, and government should direct the Indian Council of Medical Research must step in because it might make people more complacent about the dreadful virus.
But is it really that the state government is hiding the truth about COVID deaths in Assam? While it is true that the COVID-related death tally in the state has steadily increased, the COVID positivity rate in the state has increased from just 3% and is currently hanging between 6 to 7%. Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare, Piyush Hazarika, hit back at the allegation by Bordoloi, saying that the Congress is resorting to undue politics over the COVID scenario. Hazarika said that the COVID Death Audit Board has been set up under the guidance of ICMR, and by raising this issue, the Congress is also questioning the capability of the ICMR.
Pradyut Bordoloi ডাঙৰীয়া হতে ভাবে যে অসমখনত মানুহ মৰিব লাগে অসমখন মৃত্যু উপত্যকালৈকে পৰ্যবেক্ষিত হ'ব লাগে অসমখন মৰিখালিত পৰিণত হ'ব লাগে তেতিয়াহে তেওঁলোকে ৰাজনীতি কৰিব পাৰিব তেতিয়াহে তেখেতলোকে ক্ষমতালৈ আহিব পাৰিব সেই কথাটো মই বহু দিনৰ আগৰ পৰা কৈ আছো চাওক গোটেই কথাটো হৈছে যে ICMR ৰ গাইডলাইন মতেহে আমাৰ ডেথ অডিট বোৰ্ডে মানুহক ডেথ ডিক্লেয়াৰ কৰে কোভিডত মৃত্যু হৈছে নে বা অন্য বেমাৰত হৈছে এখন উচ্চপদস্থ এখন আমাৰ কমিটি থাকে সেইখনত অসমৰ বিশিষ্ট ডক্টৰ সকল থাকে প্ৰত্যেকখন হস্পিটেলৰ পৰা মেডিকেল কলেজ হোক বা অন্যান্য হস্পিটেলত যদি ক'ৰবাত মানুহ মৃত্যুমুখত পৰিছে আমাৰ সেই গুৱাহাটীস্থ বোৰ্ডখনলৈকে ৰেকমেণ্ড কৰা হয় তেওঁলোকে তাৰ পৰা চিনাক্ত কৰি পেলাই এনাউন্স কৰে তেখেতলোকৰ ওপৰতো কুৱেশ্যন আনা হৈছে ICMR ৰ ওপৰতো কুৱেশ্যন আনা হৈছে
Hazarika further attacked Bordoloi, saying that the Congress wants the death toll to rise multiple times so that the party can do politics over it. He said, while the number of low COVID deaths in Assam should be seen as a positive thing, but the Congress instead was wishing for more deaths to happen to play politics over it.
ওলোটাই যদি প্ৰদ্যুৎ বৰদলৈ ডাঙৰীয়াই ক'লে হয় যে ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ ভিতৰত অসমত মৃত্যুৰ হাৰ নিম্ন, গতিকে অসমৰ ডক্টৰসকলক, অসমৰ নাৰ্ছসকলক, অসমৰ স্বাস্থ্য ব্যৱস্থাটোক আমি ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ। সেইটো নকৰি তেখেতলোকে কৈছে অইন জেগাত মৃত্যুৰ হাৰ বেছি, অসমত কিয় কম। তাৰমানে মই আকৌ কৈছোঁ অসম মৰিশালীলৈকে পৰিণত হওক, অসমখন স্তব্ধ হৈ যাওক, অসমত মানুহ মৰি শেষ হওক, এই কংগ্ৰেছ দলে প্ৰদ্যুৎ বৰদলৈ ডাঙৰীয়াৰ হাতে ৰাজনীতি কৰিব আৰু তেওঁলোক নেতা হ'ব, মন্ত্ৰী হ'ব, তেখেতলোকৰ ইচ্ছা। সেই ইচ্ছাক কিন্তু অসমৰ ৰাইজে নিবিচাৰে, আমি হ'বলৈ নিদিওঁ।
It may be mentioned that the Assam government had formed the 4-member Death Audit Board back in July to ensure that the actual number of COVID deaths could be ascertained in the state. As per the last update by the State Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, the state recorded a total of 16 more COVID-related deaths. This has taken the total COVID death tally in Assam to a total of 578. With over 2,000 fresh cases detected since yesterday, the total active COVID cases in the state now stand at 29,609. The positivity rate in Assam is currently at 7.42%. Now, with the rising COVID death numbers in Assam, the politics surrounding it is also heating up. Bureau Report, Northeast Live.